Hello guys, today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to create the past tense polite form, okay, in Japanese. So I've been showing you guys, introducing some verbs, okay, and I've been telling you that each verb you need to memorize four different forms, and then those four forms will eventually help you to learn the other grammar in the language, okay. And the first thing that I want to show you is how you can create very easily the past tense, the polite version, okay? So when I say polite, guys, I'm referring like is the way that you're gonna be talking with your boss, with with the elderly, with people that you are not very familiar with. So it's a way that you show respect, okay? So it's very important that you know how to learn this form. But also, in the next video, I'm also gonna be showing you guys how you can make the past tense the tamego, which is not the polite form, okay? When you're talking to friends or like when you are watching a movie or TV show, whatever, you're gonna be hearing a lot as well. Okay, so of course you do need to learn both, but I would say the polite mashita way is more when you are talking, and the not polite you would be using more when you are hearing. Okay. So let's have a look. Basically, what you have to do is to change the masu that we have learned already, or that you will learn for each verb, into mashita. And that's it, guys. That's the past. Okay. So, for example, these are some verbs that I have introduced already. So let's see how it changes very simply. So tabemasu, ne, like which means to eat. It becomes tabemashita. Tabemashita. Okay. Nomimasu, which is drink, not to drink, is nomimashita. Nomimashita. Hanashimasu is to talk, becomes hanashimashita. Hanashimashita. Imasu. Okay, so we have two e. The kanji is a e, and this is a e, so it's imasu, which means to say, is imashita. Imashita. Ne? I told you, ne? Imashita. Ne? Kimasu, which is the kuru verb, to come, right? Becomes kimashita. Kimashita. Ikimasu is to go, ne? Iku. Ikimasu becomes ikimashita. Ikimashita. Yarimasu means to do something, right? Yarimasu becomes yarimashita. Yarimashita. And shimasu is also to do something and becomes shimashita. Shimashita. Okay, and that's it, guys. It's pretty simple, right? So now every single verb that you guys learn the masuke, automatically you will be able to do the past tense. So when you were creating a sentence, if you want to talk about the past, you're already able to do. And remember that this is the polite way. So the next video, I'm going to be telling you guys how you can create the not polite way. Okay? Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video then. それではまた。バイバイ。